In this video, I will walk you through yet another popular ROM called AospExtended ROM for the OnePlus 2. So if I'm going to settings menu, about phone, you can find I'm running on AospExtended ROM. So you can find all the ROM details there, and then you can check for the OT updates from here. As you can see, this AOSP Extended 4.4 official ROM is based on Android version 7.1.2 Nougat, and with the Android security patch level of 5th of July 2017. And you can see other details here down. So talking about this ROM, this is very fast ROM with a lot of features and customizations. So let's go ahead and check out the customizations first. So here is the navigation bar. Here on top you can find an icon. If you tap that, it will show all the running services. If you tap here, and then you can also show the cached services and running services. So you can find out how many percent of memory your phone is using, and out of that how many are free. And you can even go ahead and click on any application, and then you can stop it based on the RAM usage to save more battery. Besides that, if you go to the settings menu, you will find all the regular settings on top, and then down below you can see customer specific customizations like extensions. All these settings are categorized, so you can find status bar, notification panel, like that. And then in status bar items, you can customize which icons should be visible in the status bar. And then click on clock and date, you can customize the design of the clock. Click on battery, you will get battery bar, and you can customize the color and everything of that. And then even you can change the battery icon style. If you want to see the battery percentage, you can go for that. And then traffic indicators. So if you turn on this one, you can see the network traffic on top of the status bar. And then career labels. If you want to add some labels on top, you can go for that, or you can even put your name there. In the MISC extensions, you can find the notification count, status bar, weather, roaming indicator. If you want to add data disable icon, show Bluetooth status, battery status. So this is a good option. And then double tap to sleep, breathing, missed call, breathing voice call, breathing SMS, brightness control. In the notification panel, quick settings, you can set up the quick settings, whether you want that. A brightness slider is there, icon, vibrate on touch, QS tiles, and then advanced QS easy toggle service settings for the weather. And then quick settings header, if you want to change, you can go for that. Settings shortcuts, running services icon, edit icon, multi-user switch, expand indicator, center data and time, and many options are there. If you want to customize the tile animation style, you can go for that. Many customization for the quick settings. And then notification area, you can find power notification controls, force expand notification, do not disturb, flashlight notification, heads up notification, status bar ticker. If you want status bar ticker, you can go for that. So if you're listening any music, you can find the ticker on top. Next, navigation bar, you can, if you want to turn on the screen on navigation bar, navigation buttons, you can go for here and then customize, including the pulse. In the recents UI, this is the normal recents UI. If you want to change that, you can go for the other things. So you can see this is more like a MIUI style user interface, recents UI, which is pretty good looking one. I really like that one. So other than that, if you want to see memory bar, you can click on that one. So on top you can see the memory bar, and immerse recents, clear all button. And if you want to even add the slim recent bar, you can go for this. So you have a lot of customization options here. And in lock screen, you can go for and then edit all types of lock screens, like lock screen torch is there, double tap to screen mirror, fingerprint unlock, lock screen clock, lock screen weather, media cover art, display music visualizer, all things you can do. And the system, it's like general tweaks, toast icon, launch music app, when plugging the wired headset or Bluetooth headset, 3-finger screenshots, screenshot, crop and share, show any editor. So if you click on that one and then taking a screenshot, so here you can edit these, like you can play with this, edit this and share it. This is a really good feature, so I will definitely recommend you to try this. And here again, vehicle blocker, suspend actions. So this actions will execute when the screen is off. So that is for the general tweaks. And then the blur, you can change the color and then add blur to the background, everything you can do. Blurred, expand status bar, recent apps, everything can be blurred, so you can see, you will get this kind of cool feature in this ROM. And then in animation you can customize a lot of animations, almost all kinds of animations you can play with. And then in buttons you can close the button features, like what kind of options you want for the power button. You can customize volume key, cursor control, do not disturb switch. Volume keys can control media volume rocker wake, and then you can also customize the back button, home button and overview button features. And system app remover, you will be able to remove any system apps from here. So these are for the extensions. Next, if you go to apps, app ops, so here you will be listing all the applications in this device, and you can go ahead and then change their settings depending on your needs. And then in the display, as regular, you will get all the ambient display features and all. Battery, you will be having the warning color, battery saver, battery optimization, and then usage alerts. And in gestures, you will get double tap or button to open camera. Then alert slider, you can customize the alert slider. Dose pulse, you will get ambient display. So these are the functions you will get, and as you can see, this is a feature-rich ROM. You can customize all the aspects of the ROM. And in left, you will get all the Google Now tabs, and you can see, if you open the menu, you can see the AX papers. It's nothing but wallpapers from AospExtended team. Those are really good wallpapers. And for the camera, it is having the normal Google oxygen noise camera, and here you have the equalizer for speaker, headphone, Bluetooth. You can even save and load presets. And then phonograph is the default music player for the ROM. And then here we have a sound recorder, default web browser in this ROM. So as a whole, this is a very really feature-rich and very fast fluid ROM. So I will definitely recommend you to try this one. It is giving me around 3 to 4 hours of battery time for me. And I will provide this link in the description. From there you can download this file. So you go to the download section, go for the OnePlus 2 and then look for the latest build. And if you want to know how to install any ROM on your OnePlus 2, I will provide a link in the description. From there you can see that. That's it guys. Let me know what you think about this ROM. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.